Aloha everyone, this is Lynn from Blushandplans, and today I'm going to do a plan me video for the week of February 7th to February 13th, 2022. I'm using a kit from one of Simply Gilded subscription boxes, and I'll be planning in my Happy Planner. I already picked out my stickers and put them together, so I want to go looking for them while I'm filming. I also got Fashion Girl stickers that I got from Amazon, and the pens I plan to use today are the Penta Energy Cleanse. The pink one is 0.5 and the yellow one is 0.3. The washi tapes are from the same Simply Gilded subscription kit that I got the sticker kit from, and I'll be trying to use as many of them as possible. I'm going to start by laying down the washi, followed by the base stickers. I haven't filmed a video since 2020, so please forgive me if this video is a little awkward. I'm trying to relearn how to film and edit, and also I was using a new phone stand and new lighting, so the setup was all new to me. If you have any suggestions for ways I can improve my next video, please feel free to message me in the comment section. So after I laid down the washi tape and the day covers, I moved on to my sidebar. I start with laying down the green washi tape and the full box, both of which are from the Simply Gilded kit. Beneath the full box, I placed this week's sticker from the shop Sprinkle Journey that used to be called Little Red Prince. I then layered down a weekly tracker from my leftovers collection and 2 habit trackers from Bubble Bear. I didn't need that little arrow thingy that said this week, so I covered it up with correction tape so it doesn't peek from underneath the sticker. Next, I laid some washi vertically to create a backdrop for the Fashion Girl sticker that I plan to use. At first, I only lay a few of the washi tapes down with the intention of placing the Fashion Girl to the right of them, but after deciding which Fashion Girl sticker I wanted to use, I decided that I should lay down more washi to create more of a backdrop. While laying down my washi, I actually got some of it stuck to the habit tracker, so I got ripped when I put it up. So I grabbed another habit tracker to replace it. So the reason why I chose this particular fashion girl is because I thought it showed more of the washi underneath, and it went so well with the sticker kit. So I finally finished up the base stickers, and I laid down all my full boxes. Well, not all of the full boxes. I plan on saving the ones left over for a different spread, but I attempted to strategically place them where I could spread out the different colors of the kit. So I'm finally done placing down all the base stickers for the spread, and then I'm going to start with Monday by marking Coffee Mondays with a sticker from Sweet Salt Sticker Co. Then I laid down the stickers for the rest of the day, starting with a sticker from My Little Puffy to mark my telephone appointment that I have with my doctor. Then to mark that I washed my hair and dried it, I also used another sticker from My Little Puffy. I used a washi sticker from the kit just to add a little bit more dimension. Next, I added a backpack sticker to mark that I went to pick up my son. I used a sticker from the Pipstick stickers, or Love Pipsticks, I'm not sure. Then I laid down a pink washi, and beneath that I took a nap, so I used a sticker from the Paper Shower freebie. And for dinner we had Panda Express, and I got honey walnut shrimp. To mark that, I used a sticker from Hey So Sticker. Then on Tuesday, I didn't do much, so I marked Trash Day with a sticker from Shine Sticker Studio to take up space. Then beneath that, I used a desk sticker or desk flat lay from Paper Shower to mark that I cleared off my desk, because when my desk is messy, I always feel like my creativity is stifled. So tell me in the comments if you feel more inspired and creative if your work area is nice and clean. I changed the cat litter that day, so I marked that with a sticker from Sweet Ava's paper. And for the rest of the day, I was shredding sensitive paperwork, so I used this little, it was like a homework sticker. I'm not sure where the sticker is from. It's from my reusable sticker book, so I think it might be Little Paper Prints as a deco sheet. I'm not sure. On Wednesday, I started off with this like leaf sticker from the kit to mark that my son had late start that day. So beneath that, I placed down this desk sticker from Happy Dial to mark that I did more work on my desk. And then I put down this sweet kawaii design. Oh, I forgot her name. Fridge sticker to mark that I cleaned out the fridge. And then on the bottom of the day, I put down a paper shower Keurig sticker to mark that I cleaned up the mail area and the coffee bar. Then to cover up that line, I used a perforated washi from the kit. For Thursday, I put on this paper shower Subway sticker to mark that I had like the best French dip sandwich. And beneath that, I put a washi tape to make it stand out more. Later that day, I went to pick up my son from school, and to mark that, I used this dinosaur sticker from Mihalan. And beneath that, I used this leftover ice cream sticker, like a Hobonichi square from Happy Daya, to mark that we went to Foster Feast for an afternoon snack. So later that night, I attempted to bake some rolls, not from scratch, but like the frozen rolls you find at the grocery store frozen section. Anyways, it was a fail because I forgot to check the timer and it burnt, and it was still okay, but I accidentally dropped them. So to mark that fun event, I used this croissant sticker from Tecopi Stickers. So I have a collection of cookbooks that I need to use instead of using it for decoration. So I went to look up some new recipes, and I used a cookbook sticker from Paper Shire. I like to write down Aloha Friday every week in my spreads, and this time I used a sticker from the kit to mark it. So that day, I organized my reusable sticker books, and I used the stickers from Sweet Salt Sticker Co. And beneath that, I binge on some YouTube for the rest of the day, but I didn't like how I wrote the word binge, so I whited it out and put a washi tape on it and rewrote the word binge, and now I think I like it better. So later on, I went to watch this show called Forge in Fire with my husband Raymond, and it's on Hulu. And it's a show about these bladesmiths that compete with a time limit to create the best blades. And it's pretty interesting. But anyways, I marked that show with a sticker from My Little Puffy. So I had to get some groceries, and I went to Albertsons, and to mark that, I used a sticker from Planner Bunny Press, and beneath that, for the end of the day, I put a fork and spoon sticker from the kit to mark that we have pork chops. So on Saturday, I went to organize the rest of my stickers, and to mark that, I used a sticker from Little Bit Prince, which is now Sprinkled Journey. It pretty much took most of the day, so I drew down this arrow to mark that, and beneath that I put this sticker from Jalen Paper Co. I liked it so much because it matches the kit so well, and that was to mark that I did a commissary run. So even though we got all that food, I was so tired I did not want to cook. So instead I warmed up a hot pocket, and that microwave is from Very Cute Designs. So Sunday was Super Bowl Sunday, and I used these, I think they're hamsters from Some Little Things to mark the Rams and the Bengals, and I was so lucky that I had the colors to match the teams. Anyways, I played around with this area a little bit by putting down some washi so I could mark the event because it was a special event, but I didn't really like how it came out, so instead I just drew a line to frame it. Not a line, but two lines to frame it. That's what I meant to say. So I thought they had a pretty good halftime show. So to mark that, I used a Planner Bunny Press sticker. And my husband decided to grill that day, so I used the sticker from Sweet Tea Plans. And that Fox and sticker, planner sticker is to mark that I started planning again. So I want to catch up on all my spreads, which was a lot. So to finish up the spread, I filled in my weekly tracker with all the dinners that we had, and I also filled out my habit trackers. And that is what the full week looks like. And now I'm showing you all my leftover stickers from the kit. And I did a little wiggle to show off the foil from the stickers. And that's it for the video. I want to thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you again. Aloha!